Hi guys, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a very easy face pack with you all, which is made with just two ingredients, green tea and honey. We all know that green tea is filled with antioxidants and nutrients, and it has some amazing health benefits. It's not only good for our health, but it is also very good for our skin. So next time when you drink that cup of green tea, don't throw the used tea bag. Instead, use it for the face pack, which I'm going to show you right now. So let's go ahead and make this face pack. I'm taking a used tea bag, waiting for it to cool down, and then just cut open and empty the contents in a bowl. To this, we'll add some honey to make a paste. Make sure this paste is not too runny, otherwise it will drip when you're applying it. Mix everything together and just leave it for 5 minutes so that this green tea can just soak in all the honey that we've added. So while I apply this face pack, let me just take you through the benefits of these ingredients on our skin. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory property. It helps to prevent acne and other skin infections. Applying green tea on the skin improves skin elasticity and slow down skin aging. It also contributes to cell regeneration and prevents fine line and wrinkles. And that's the reason so many cosmetic companies are now using green tea in their products. Well, talking about our second ingredient, honey, well, honey is full of antioxidants and it boosts collagen production. It also moisturizes and hydrates the skin, and that's why this pack is great for both dry and oily skin. Well, apply this pack all over your face. You can cover your neck also if you wish to, and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes to dry. Till then, enjoy your cup of green tea. Okay, so it's time to remove this mask. To remove the mask, all you have to do is start scrubbing your face very gently. Do this action for a minute or two and make sure you're not too harsh with your skin. You can also use a wet towel to remove this mask and then just splash lots of water on your face and just wash your face thoroughly. I'm done washing my face and look at the glow, guys. I am so happy with this pack. Well, I do this at least once or twice a week or whenever I get a chance. Do try this at home and let me know what you think about it. Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll come back soon with more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.